Right, we are on Marella Explorer 2 and I'm going to show you how to put one of these on. Now, on a recent cruise I went to, it was like the first time I'd ever put one on, and I thought, oh, there's a bit more faff to it, so I decided every cruise now I go on, I'm going to check the life jacket out and make sure I know how to put it on. This one's actually very similar to the last one on P&O Ina, but there is a slight difference. We seem to be connected here on the back, and it seems a little bit smaller, but same one. We've got some tags here like to undo, opens up, a little bit difference in design. You've got your whistle in here and your tie line there. So on this one we're going to have to put our arm through here and then over the head. Drop the mic, stick the mic back on here, and then bring it round, clunk click into here and pull tight, and then get rid of this and stick that under there out of the way. So you got your lights, very simple to put on, and this cabin sleeps 3 people, so we've got 3 of them. So quick video, and I recommend that you try this out on all your cruise ships, just so you never know, you might need it and it might just save your life. Anyway, we'll make sure that we wrap it back up as we found it, as we don't mess about with them. They are an important piece of information, important on the saving your life, but I do recommend that you have a go and put it on. There you go. Anyway, if you'd like to watch another one in our Marella Explorer, you click here, and if you would, hit that subscribe there, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried putting one of these on? Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.